Hello and welcome to this answer explanation video. This video will take you through the answers to the addition and subtraction word problems worksheet and will talk you through some of the tricky bits.
In this video, I will take you through the answers to the addition and subtraction word problems worksheet. Remember, we can work out whether we need to do an add or a takeaway by looking carefully at the words that have been used. Let's start with question 1. Mr. Wonka sends his Wonka bars to sweet shops in packs of 20. There are 13 in his pack. How many more bars does he need to put in? Well, the words how many more tell us that we need to find the difference. So we could do 20 take away 13 to work out the answer, because we need to find out what we need to add to 13 to make 20. We've got a part missing. So if there's a part missing, we need to do a subtraction. Now, I know my bonds to 20, so I don't actually need to work this out by counting on or back or drawing a picture to help me. I know that 13 add 7 is 20. So 20 take away 13 is 7. He needs 7 more Wonka bars. The next question then. Matilda borrows 18 books from the library. She reads lots in one night. The next day there are 9 left. How many did she read? Well, there were 9 left, and that tells us we need to do a takeaway, because 18 take away something equals 9. Again, a part is missing, so we can do 18 take away 9 to work out what that part is. So we've got our 18 books here, and we know that she had 9 left, so we're going to take away 9 to find out how many she read. So I'm going to just cross out 9 of my books and count up to see how many I've got left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. She has 9 and she read 9. Next question. The BFG catches 8 dreams one day and 6 dreams the next day. How many dreams has he caught altogether? Well, we've got that word altogether, and that tells us that it's going to be an add. He had 8 dreams and 6 dreams, which means our calculation is going to be 8 add 6. 8 add 6. So you could put 8 in your head and count on 6, but if you're not sure how to do that, you could draw 8 dots and 6 more, and count on to find the total. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Altogether, he has 14 dreams. Fantastic Mr. Fox catches 20 chickens. His family eats 5. How many are left? So again, we've got left, and we've got that they're eating 5, so this shows us that we need to do a takeaway. He had 20, and then 5 were eaten. So it's 20 take away 5. Remember, we've got our 20 chickens here, so all we need to do is cross out 5. And that will show us how many we've got left. We could also use our number bonds to work this out. The answer is 15. Okay, question 5. Violet has a pack of bubblegum with 20 pieces in. She chews 16. How many pieces does she have left? So again, she's chewing 16 of them. How many does she have left? Tells us it needs to be a takeaway. She had 20 and she got rid of 16 of them. So it's 20 take away 16. Again, we could draw this using our dots if we wanted to, but I know my number bonds to 20, so I know that the answer is 4, because 4 add 16 equals 20. Again, if you don't know your number bonds, you could have drawn 20 dots and crossed out 16 of them. Question 6 then, the final question. The enormous crocodile has 10 teeth on his top jaw and 10 teeth on his bottom jaw. How many teeth does he have in total? So we've got the words in total. That shows us that it's an addition. 10 on top and 10 on the bottom. 10 add 10. Is our calculation. Now I know that this is a number bond to 20. I know that 10 add 10 makes 20. So he has 20 in total.
That was the answer explanation video for the addition and subtraction word problems worksheet from Classroom Secrets. If you want to watch a video tutorial linked to this step, visit kids.classroomsecrets.co.uk. For more resources linked to this learning, visit classroomsecrets.co.uk.